Hello my friends, my name is Mohammad Naveed and in this lecture I am going to teach you be able to. So what is be able to? In order to learn this, we need to see the usage of be able to. So here we have the usage of be able to. The first usage is to show ability, and this is the formal way to show ability. To show ability. Why do we use be able to? To show ability. Now it's time to see the structures of be able to. So the structures are here. Now see the examples. So the examples are, the first example is he is able to speak English. He is able to speak English. So here for example, so here what we are showing, we are showing the ability. What we are showing? We are showing the ability. So whenever we need to show the ability, what we will use? We will use be able to. And this is a formal way to say the ability. Then we have the second example. He was able to speak English. He was able to speak English. So here in the example, we are showing the past ability. We are showing the past ability. Third example is he will be able to speak English. He will be able to speak English. So in this example, what we are showing? We are showing the future ability. The for example, what we show you can say the present ability, past ability, and future ability. Now it's time to see the structures of be able to. The first structure is subject plus be is MR, able to first form verb plus object. What does it mean by subject? Subject means doer. Here we have he, here we have he, and here we have he. So subject means doer, means who is doing. For example, Naveed is doing, he, she, it, they, we. Definitely who. Getting me? So Naveed, Ali, naveedplace.com, getting me? Anybody. So here we have subject. And definitely we have what we have. Here we have is MR. Is MR. So if our subject will be I, so what we will use? We will use M. For example, if our subject will be I, we will use M. If a subject will be, you can say plural. For example, if I say here they, we, you can say any plural name. If any plural name will come, so we will use R. And if a subject will be singular, for example, if I say here, you can say she, he, it, any singular name. So definitely we will use is. Getting me? So for example, if a subject is she, so what we use she is. Getting me? Then definitely we will use able to, definitely able to, and first form verb. Do you know what is mean a verb? A word which is used to indicate the act is called verb. For example, if I say here eat, if I say sit, if I say sleep, so these all words are defining what? These all words are defining act. So anyone which defines act is called verb. So here we have speak, speak. Definitely this word is defining what? This word is defining act. This word is called verb. Then we have object. Object is the meaning. The object is the meaning of the sentence. For example, here it is telling the meaning of this sentence. For example, if I say here that he is able to speak, if I don't use object, if I don't use English, so do you think that you will get the meaning of this sentence? No, you won't. Why? Because object is missing. So if I say here he is able to speak, so you say he is able to speak Punjabi, he is able to speak English, he is able to speak Urdu. What? So definitely object is very important. Getting me? Then we have the you can say second structure. So definitely second structure is for past, this is for present, and this is for past. So if our subject will be, you can say plural. For example, they, we. So what we will use? We will use verb. What we use verb. And if a subject will be singular, for example, if I say here she, he, and it, or any singular name, so we will use was. Getting me? And then definitely we have will be. Definitely will be we use with anyone. Definitely we can use will be with any subject, or we can use with, definitely we can use will be with anyone, get any subject. Getting me? And this is for present. So in the first structure, definitely we are showing present. The second structure we are showing past, and the last structure we are showing future. So why do we use be able to? We use be able to show ability, and this is a formal way, to show ability. So this was lecture on be able to. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture, and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplace.com. Allah fi amanla, and I will meet you in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.